Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So every time I come on here and I slap makeup on my face and I disappear, today we're going to be taking it off. This is going to be a get on ready with me. If you're not familiar with these type of videos, it's just basically me taking my makeup off. I'm going to put you through the steps that I will always do to make sure that my skin is clear and clean and does not have one atom of makeup on it. I'm a firm believer that, if you know that effort you put into applying makeup, you have to put that same effort into taking it off. It's important because that's the only reason I feel like I have very clear skin. My skin is not like I don't break out at all. I break out once in a while, but my breakouts are at a minimum because I try as much as possible to make sure that my pores are not clogged or anything like that. So I am going to go on ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'll do once I get back home is take my wig off. Okay, it's take my wig off. I wanted to come on here and be like, oh, I'm gonna be cute, I'll tie my hair back and then I'll start. No, it's so hot, the weather is so freaking hot, so I'm going to remove this wig. Okay, give me a minute and I'll be right back. So my wig is off and I have my trusty old turban on. If you're interested in this wig that I just removed, I'm going to have the details in the description box, so check there for it. Okay, so the second thing for me would be to take my contact lenses off, but I can't in this video because if I take them off, then I'll not be able to see anything. Basically, I'll not be able to see my viewfinder, and I need to see my viewfinder while I film. I am that short-sighted. Like, if you don't know, I wear glasses. The next thing would be to remove my falsies. So I'm just gonna pull them off like this. Just be really gentle. And they are off. You guys can see the difference that a pair of lashes can make. The next thing will be to go in with my Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. And this thing is just like, the only way to describe this in all honesty is that it's kind of like a solid wax that dissolves into the skin the minute like you work it in. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to take like one glob of this like this. I get really messy when I'm using this. And I am going to just apply this all over my skin. Oh god, my eyes are open, I'm so scared. But then you guys can see that this thing has melted everything off. Like, it's like complete goo right now. So the next thing will be to go in with a damp washcloth, and I'm going to use this to wipe my face. The one thing that I love about the Clinique Balm is how easy it makes everything. You guys saw that I had just a little bit on my finger and then I put it on my skin and it dissolved everything. It makes everything so easy. As of 2 years ago when I started using it, I know that you could get it for like 5,000 naira. But because of the recession and all of that, it sells for about 14,000 naira right now. So just bear that in mind. After that, the next thing for me would be to go in with a cleansing water or makeup remover of some sort. I like to alternate between the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This one is a new bottle, or this makeup remover from Miniso. And they both like work and feel the same. I don't know, these two products are really, really similar. So if you don't know where to get the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, you can use this. You can get this from any Miniso close to you. For this video, I'll be using my Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. And I'm just going to take a cotton pad and pour this on it, and I'm going to use this all over my face. The cleansing balm did a very good job like breaking down the makeup and getting the majority of it off, but then the truth is that I still have makeup on my skin, and you guys are going to see once I'm done wiping down now that I still have foundation on my skin, because most of the time you cannot get everything off in one step. It's just not possible. This step gets rid of what is left. So at this point, I just move on to my actual skincare routine. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime routine because this is a get on ready with me. If you want to see my skincare routine, morning, night, like body care, all of that, I'm going to have the video linked somewhere here and also in the description box. So check that out because I know that video, a lot of you keep asking for it, but I already have one up on this channel. So I'm going to start out by cleansing, and to cleanse, I use my Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. And this cleanser is really gentle. It doesn't even foam up that much. That's how gentle it is. So I'm going to go in with a cleansing brush. I don't use a cleansing brush all the time. I use it about 2 to 3 times a week, and this particular one is from Vanity Planet, so it spins. You guys can see, just like the Clarisonic, but this is a lot more affordable, a lot more cheaper. And Vanity Planet delivers to Nigeria. You guys saw in my last vlog when I received the package, and it gets the job done. The brush is really soft and really gentle on the skin as well. I do the 3-step routine. So I cleanse, I treat, and I moisturize. I already cleansed. The next step for me would be to use a treatment. And the treatment can come in different forms. It could be like a toner, it could be like a cream, it could even be a serum. For me, I like to use the Acne Up treatment. I've been using this for years. So what I do is I just take a little bit, just this much, and I just apply this on the areas where I know that I am most likely prone to breakouts. If that English is even correct. Me, I don't know. You guys know what I just said, right? So I'm just going to work this into my skin and let it absorb. Lastly, once the treatment has settled into my skin, I go in with a moisturizer. This one is by Miniso. It is the aloe vera moisturizing cream and it looks like this. This thing feels like a gel. It is so lightweight and it just settles into the skin. I love the way that it feels and I've just been using it religiously of late, okay? So this is basically it. This is how I get on ready. This is how I take my makeup off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.